Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Are constant pop-up notifications interrupting your work, gaming, or watching videos on Windows 11? In this video, I'll show you how to completely disable notifications or turn off notifications from specific apps that keep bothering you. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. From the left side, select System, then click Notifications. Here you will see the main notification settings for Windows 11. If you don't want to receive any notifications at all, simply turn notifications off. This disables notification banners, sounds, reminders, and notifications from apps and Windows itself. If you want a distraction-free experience while working, studying, or gaming, this is the quickest option. If you still want important notifications but want to stop annoying ones, scroll down to the Notifications from Apps and Other Senders section. Here you'll see a list of installed apps. Simply find the app that's sending unwanted notifications and switch it off. For example, you can disable notifications from apps like Microsoft Store, Tips, Xbox, Phone Link, or any other app that keeps interrupting you. This allows important apps, such as email or messaging apps, to continue sending notifications while blocking the ones you don't need. You can also click on an individual app to customize its notification settings. Turn notification banners on or off. Enable or disable notification sounds. Hide notifications from the lock screen. Change the priority of notifications in the Notification Center. This gives you more control without completely disabling notifications from that app. And that's it. Now your Windows 11 experience will be much quieter and less distracting. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.